this video, I'm going to walk you through one way to empty your hot tub and then fill it back up. You can use this method I'm about to show you to drain your pool as well. First, you have to purchase a sump pump. There's a ton of sump pump varieties from PEXUniverse.com to choose from. But before I do anything, I'm going to shut off the power to the hot tub. So I'm just going to go to my switch right here. I'm going to connect a hose line to the pump so that I can pump the water out of the hot tub and into a drain or sewer or wherever you can reach. This hose is short, so I'm pumping it into a driveway. Now I'm just going to connect the hose. This pump has a standard hose connection to just screw on. Before you order a sump pump, make sure it'll fit your hose or make sure you have the right adapter. Then I'm going to place it in the water. Just place the pump flat on the tub floor, and once you plug it in, it'll start draining out of the hose. Now it's plugged in and draining, which takes about 45 minutes. "20 minutes in. After about 45 minutes, the tub is almost empty. If you have little pools of water in the tub seats, you can pick up the pump and place it in the puddles to drain. It'll drain down to about 3/4 inches of water wherever you place the pump. And you don't want to let the pump run without being in water too long because it can overheat, as it uses the water flow to keep cool. Now I'm going to fill the tub back up. Since my hose doesn't reach my hot tub, I'm going to place a hose adapter on my sink and run the hose to the hot tub. The sink is chrome, so I'm wrapping the aerator in rubber tape before I take it off with a wrench. Next, I'm just going to take the hose adapter that I showed you and connect it to the hose and the sink. Most adapters should work similarly. Once it's connected, you can turn your water on and wait a while to fill the tub. This process should take about an hour and a half depending on your tub size and water flow. And just remember to add your treatment chemicals before you use it.